Hi guys, so this is the very belated live swatch video for the polishes that I got in my Secret Santa swap. There was 4 polishes inside and they were based on purple since that is my favourite colour, so she did really well in picking my shades. This first one is Layton Danny and it is called New Season. Coverage on first coat is a little bit sheer, so I will apply a second. The second polish is by A England and is called Layton Dances, and it is this very dark purple with some holographic shimmer going through it. Coverage is decent on first coat, but I will do a second. Polish 3 is by Morgan Taylor and it is called Plum Thing Magical. It is a purple that has some red undertones in it. It gives it a really unusual shade. I'm loving the shimmer that's coming through with it. Coverage is decent on one coat. I will do a second to make it fully opaque. The final polish is by Emily DeMolly and I have to say I think this one is my favourite. This is called Land of Critique. It is a soft purple tone but is also full of holographic glitter. Also looks like there's flakies in there as well. It's a really stunning polish. See through on the first coat.